I'm Dorothy Batey from the Department of Art. I'm the chair of the department. My area of concentration is fashion design. We invited Kevin here to Clark Atlanta University because we knew that he is a shining star and he would be able to help our students. We had a wonderful presentation today from Kevin, and we learned about many opportunities and ways that you can attend college for debt-free. I am a supporter of Kevin. He was my work-study student, and he was the best work-study student I have ever had. I will continue to support Kevin in his endeavors. Thank you very much.